Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just recap on day 5 and day 6 of the Madlanga. Hey, it was a hectic. What's now going on is that umchunu uyakhonjwa. Like ukubona guys makhonjwa to when it's you, that's just like the craziest thing ever. You don't even know to vike bani ushone, you don't even know what to do. You're just like, oh my gosh, ngizobalekela phi. Bonke abantu bathi wena. Why did you do that? So the two people that are coming out here kakhulu umchunu noSibiya. Hey uSibiya guys, it's out there. General Shadrack Sibiya. I'm just like uzobalekela kuphi. Ngapha nathi simphethe futhi ngapha ngecase kaSenzomiya. We just like uzoyikhipha ibeke la. When you go there to testify as a witness dead noMadlanga, fanele batshele ukuthi why did you do that? It's Senzomiya's house. Uthi agcine clean. Why would you do that? Would you like that to happen to you when I go yakhe family? Guys. This is why we don't look at those things sometimes when people do things. They don't look at Tini. How? And then, Mina, it won't happen to me. Why? If you want to learn today, guys, in South Africa. I've said so many times with this case internationally, just like, please stop. There were no intruders in that house. We even know that it's clearly Australia, for example. General Sibiya is so petty. Oh my gosh. Uthi akumina kuphela engenza izinto engekho right. So I'm just like, then bakhipha abantu ngamagama. Don't say abantu bayaphuma bayangena eParliament, they did stuff. Isho ukuthi so and so. We understand. And you want us to derail from your own dabas. Sibe busy nalabo bantu. Kanti no, sifuna ukuba busy now as well. Now you've got a lot of dabas going on, you know. So now it's just like, I know akumina kuphela. How? But I'm just like, also, fana nakuSenzomiya, abantu abakhiphana, abathi this is the person who shot Senzo. We are actually tired of such. General Petronella van Rooyen did explain ukuthi uSibiya akanayo right yokulalela umchunu. Yabona sibahlangane vele ngobugebengu yena nomchunu. Instead of going to the national uFani Masemula and be like, okay, this is what's going on with me. This is my job. This is what I'm busy with, basically. As you gave me the job description, these are the things that I'm doing. We are getting me aguma minister. But what's in Hlangana nobugebengu and be sitting there naked or Cat Matlal trying to protect them. Bese ni Shia Pansi, it's her team that was actually elected to do this. Basically, investigate on all these M's, the unaliving of people, basically, or any cases actually that were actually done by them, uSibiya, that were given to him, besides ehlezi nama dockets there in his office, accumulating dusting houses and families abantu. How crazy. Ngaleso sikhathi uSibiya, as he was coming out of court, khathi ethi uhambisa uFani Masemula ecourt for ukumsuspend. He says there are so many people in the system, subs, or any other system for that matter, including politicians. That's what he's saying. Politicians, I'm just like, you must tell us about them. So he's like, in the whole of the system, I'm the only one who's wrong. You can't be serious right now. I've seen all the meetings that have been happening, especially in Parliament. How do you come back and pin it in one person? Imagine, guys, I like playing victim so that we can just now confuse us and be like, oh, okay, he didn't do anything, lalela. He's guilty as it is now. So Van Rooyen naye Petronella General is like, no, umchunu was wrong actually. Ukuthi ati the political task team mustn't continue, you know. He had no right to do that. Legally, actually, he had no right to do that. Kwakufanele ukuthi consult and be like, okay, ngenza kahle yini uyabona ngale PKTT ngirongi, or can you help me out here? You know, uyasuke uyazenzela nje however he wants, like how they've been doing Basenzela noma yini abayithandayo labantu. So generally-ke Khumalo, we're waiting for him for day 7. So ke sizwe. And manje kuthiwa kulindwe uKhumalo ne i-generally intelligence. And lo Khumalo lo ngibona ngathi he's gonna be dropping names. I can just see him ekhiphana nabantu la ukuthi benze ngoba uMkhwanazi painted him as a very good ambassador for SAPS. That's how I'm gonna put it. Messiah sort of naye, you know. Helen Harrison, ngathi kwakwa akaZungu before abe Harrison. Before she got married. Her maiden surname was Zungu. So usistazi now izinto zakhe zaxabana nezami Khwanazi because she says she's actually head of director of public prosecutions in KZN. I do agree with Advocate Harrison when she said political unaliving of people were still there even in 2019 because if you remember, most councils, especially ezogata ngapha ko-KZN, even ANC, were unalived. How many? Around that time in 2019, although Mkhwanazi had said no, they had actually stopped before that. I mean, there was a mistake there, but I mean, I agree with her. They're still there. Vele uvuke nje kuseni ikhansela libule ungazi ukuthi why noma mhlambe that's mina ama-politics angithandi kakhuluma kakhulu kule channel, but I'm just thinking ukuthi kuye kube ngalento ukuthi ufuna ufaka owakini na ezini mhlambe mangeyona ANC ufuna ukufaka, you understand, the other political party yabona kuye kulwela into kanjalo ukuthi akuphethe thina la ukuyibona leyo nto like that young guy in KZN we-DA. So you'll be thinking, okay, can we just asimsuseni sifake wethu kuba kanjalo. These things, they are crazy. This political unaliving, they've been crazy for years. As Gay does actually mention Mrs. Harrison ukuthi to disband PKTT was not right. He didn't follow legal processes. You understand? Vele ayidecide for ekseni ukuthi uzobhala incwadi bazozwa ngami ngi-minister mos. Who are you? Like why kanjalo? I mean, guys, there's a power sometimes. And even how I put it is that sometimes it's so crazy how people are given jobs that they don't deserve and given power that they don't deserve, and then they abuse it. This is exactly what happened here. And most of them, though, it's so crazy. The high-ranking people in SAPS, the stuff that they've done, you're just like, what if you're done umsebenzi awudeserve? Angithi sokwenza example njengalo mama lo who ended up deleting mama family members amaningi ukuthi athole insurance. I was just like, why didn't you just go to school if you wanted to earn 100,000? Uyayithanda ngithi imali ongaba ibrigadier. You are 44, you didn't study when this lower ngapha koLimpopo Kutumela, I think it was the same name. I did a case last month. I've been doing it actually, it was for the 3rd time last month. I was just like, I said there, instead of ukuthi ufunde sis, you want stuff, quick things in life. Let's just say she came as a police officer at 20. By 35, you should be a brigadier. More funda every time and then go to trainings and do stuff and be trained here, be trained there. Constable. But at 44, you are constable. But you want to drive a Land Rover to work because you are deleting people back in. Guys, you drive a Land Rover constable. You have 4 cars for that matter. He had another Paki, he had a Corolla. He had a lot of cars. He had about 4. He had 4 cars, which is impossible as a constable. You think people are dumb? Like, what are you doing? And then people started to talk in the village. They were like, there's something about it. Even a family village seems so loose. When 9 guys, 9 people. Yeah, and then you go and resign because you still put greed. Ufuni mali yase subs. Jail. You won't even get to see that money. And then you involve your sister and you involved your daughter as well. Crazy things like this, guys. Greed. I promise you, spare balap or General CB. Babatolama envelopes. Because here's why. You're not satisfied with imali yako as a general. You want more. Guys, we all want income streams. This is why we have 4 YouTube channels. We all want 10 income streams. But can we work for them? Please. And you can't be unaliving people for money. Like, those are crazy things. Like, you're gonna end up when the constable is in jail now, and she's been trying to come out. She will never get paid, that lady. She can't get bail. So it's happening. Subs, but greedy abantu balapha, like you've never even seen. Most of them, anyways. Sibeke kanjalo.